Hi, welcome back. Just a few days until we leave for Copper Harbor, and I have yet a few more updates. Again, you're never done updating, right? So let me show you the few other little things I've done. And this is it's a mat that goes underneath like dog food or dog food bowls or litter boxes. I got it on Amazon, and it fits perfectly underneath here on this ledge. And when I was cleaning it, I noticed a little bit of moisture, condensation from the refrigerator was kind of leaving some mildew and possible mold underneath there. So I cleaned that real good and thought I need to put something underneath there to protect that, because I am mold sensitive and I want to avoid mold as much as I can. So that, again, just a little thing, but little things mean a lot in the van. Here are a couple other little things. Just a drying mat. I found when I'm doing dishes, I have nowhere to put them. I've been putting a towel on my stool and then just putting the dishes there. But then my seat gets wet. So this will work better. And I need to get a drain stopper. This does not work. Even with this thing out, it doesn't hold the water. So that's why I wanted a deep sink, so I could get some water in here and do dishes easily. This one's going to work. It's plastic and I don't know how long it will last, but at least for now it's going to work. I found a quick and easy way to get the tarnish off of my copper sink in the van. This stuff by Flitz. You spray it on. It's probably pretty toxic stuff. Hope it's okay going into my plastic jug. I should have gloves on, but I don't. I did this a few weeks ago, and it worked so well, I thought, I'm gonna do it again and video it. Oh, I love it when it's shiny. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Love it. All right. Much better. My niece gave me this little, she called it a disco ball. She said it really catches the light nice, so I hung it in here. So just to recap what I have accomplished so far in my little tweaks is remove the bed so that I can get my gigantic e-bike and Ben's mountain bike and all our gear and suitcases and stuff in here. And it's not fastened down yet. I just put it in here to show. This bike weighs like 60 pounds and it's big and I can lift it, but then the wheel starts flopping and it's just really hard to manhandle. So I use that piece of wood as a ramp, and then I put that piece of wood across the floor here, and that keeps things from the garage area from sliding forward. So that works out well. There is the $12 thrift store find. That was fun. And I rehung my little spice magnet holder and put my little agate picture up there, little postcard. And how about these adorable collapsible bowls that I got from Mojo? Oh, I love them. They're so cute. Got this cute kitchen towel. No kitchen is complete without a doodle by your feet. Oh yeah, Mojo's coming along. And then I just hang it up here with this little hook. Got some new curtains. I took down my black actual bug screens and they were ripped. My door kept catching them. And I bought these curtains at Walmart. I was going to get the same ones that I have in the back, but they didn't have them in the right size. So I like these two. So they're just lighter and breezier, and I just like the looks of them better. They, I got to figure out how to keep them together, or the bugs will find a way to get in. I'll use magnets or Velcro or something. But right now, I'm happy with it. And I like them. I screwed up though. I measured wrong, or thought wrong. And this came with 4 panels, and they were too short. So I only needed 3 panels. So I took the 4th one and cut it into thirds and just attached it with some iron-on hem binding. And that made them the perfect length. And my curtain rod, the old bungee cord. Bungee cords work for pretty much everything. Got a new basket here for stuff. When I got rid of that blue basket, I kept a little saying, "Tell me what you plan to do with your one wild and precious life." A quote by Mary Oliver, fabulous poet. I replaced the ugly random red rubber hooks with these metal vintage hooks that no one will ever see but me, but I just wanted to do it. So there are just a few simple updates that I've done. Just little things, nothing really major at all, but again, it's those little things that really matter. And every trip I take, I think, oh, I need to change this out or try this or get something for this. So anyway, again, nothing real substantial, but things that will really make traveling in the van a little bit easier, a little more efficient. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. If you'd like to follow along with Adventures with Mojo and I, I'd appreciate it. See you later.